The top 9 websites and blogs to learn Excel tips and tricks. Whether you are a master at Excel or just getting started, here are the top 9 websites and blogs you can use to learn some tips and tricks. No matter how good you are at Microsoft Excel, there will always be more to learn. So if you use Excel for your routine tasks, it's a good idea to follow Excel blogs and websites and keep learning the new things you can do in Excel. Here we list 9 websites you can follow to learn MS Excel hacks and develop your expertise. So come to the number 1, howtoexcel.org. How to Excel is an informative place to find tips and tricks about using Microsoft Excel. The articles here are mostly how to style listicles explaining different ways to perform a specific task in Excel. The easy to follow instruction along with the screenshots make it a good choice for beginners to learn Excel. You can also watch helpful video tutorials on its YouTube channel. Moreover, How to Excel has some paid courses and ebooks on its websites. So to get the Excel tips directly to your inbox, you can subscribe to this newsletter. Come to the number 2. Number 2 is exceloffthegrid.com. Excel of the Grid is another website where you can learn the lesser known tricks of Excel. On Excel of the Grid, you can get advice on more advanced topics like VBA, Power Query and Office scripts. That said, it does cover some beginner level stuff like splitting cells or displaying fractions. Best of all, it has a VBA code library divided into multiple sections. You can easily automate your routine tasks. To further strengthen your skills, you can purchase ebooks written by its team. Now let's come to number 3. Number 3 is elevates.com. This a joint project of 4bits and Add-in Express. Elevates.com offers awesome Excel add-ins to increase its functionality. Moreover, it has tools for more Office apps like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace and Outlook. To help its users, Elevates.com runs a helpful blog on its websites. The articles are usually how-to features with code snippets and screenshots to make your work easier. These articles are written by different authors, all of whom are experts of Excels. Elevates.com has both free and paid tools and add-ins on its website, so you can want to simplify your daily work, you can use them too. Come to the number 4. Number 4 is Chandu.org. Chandu.org is one of the go-to resources for getting Excel help. Chandu.org covers both the basic and the advanced Excel topics. On the website, you can find hundreds of actionable articles on different topics like chart, how to VBA, macros, pivot tables, etc. Similarly, this website has a YouTube channel with dozens of step-by-step tutorials, so you can go for it. And number 5 is Excel Tip. Exceltip.com. Excel Tip strives to improve the skill of students and professionals in MS Excel so they can do more complex tasks on the program. It is managed by the team that created Excel Forum, one of the most popular forums for discussing Microsoft Excel. On Excel Tip, you can find articles on the basics of Excel, Excel 365, function, VBA, charts, etc. There are separate sections for tips and tricks and editing formatting in Excel. Best of all, you can download ready-made dashboards and templates from its website. For random Excel tips, you can check it out, the tip of the day. Moreover, it runs a newsletter sending awesome advice directly to your inbox, so you can go for this also. And number 6 is MrExcel.com. This MrExcel.com has been providing Excel help to professionals for the last 2 decades. The Excel tips section of this website contains dozens of short to the point articles on different Excel topics. Moreover, it has a separate news page where you can find the latest updates about MS Excel. Similarly, MrExcel.com has a quick video tutorials on its YouTube channel. You can subscribe to its newsletter Powerful Excel as well, which is delivered to your inbox once or twice a month. But MrExcel.com is more than just a blog. You can shop and learn from its Excel books, templates and courses. It also has a forum where you can interact with fellow Excel users and get answers to your questions. And come to the number 7, trumpexcel.com, another website where you can get Excel advice and training in trumpexcel. trumpexcel has a quite informative blog that covers advice for both beginners and advanced users. These how-to-style tutorials make your daily tasks easy by recommending shortcuts and formulas for specific tasks. You can also download free Excel templates for productivity, project management, calendar, and other purposes. There's a list of over 100 Excel functions along with explanations and tutorials for each of them. It also has a YouTube channel with free Excel courses. This includes training for Power Query, Dashboard, and PVA. So you can check it out, this YouTube channel. And come to the number 8 is Excel Unblocked. Managed by Gasper, Excel Unblocked is a simple website with dozens of posts about Excel. The most discussed topics include Excel functions, tools, pivot tables, Power BI, VBA, Dynamics Array, and general Excel facts. It also writes about the R language, sharing basic concepts and tutorials. So the articles on Excel Unblocked contains actionable advice with screenshots that makes following instructions easy for beginners. The author's picks page is a good point to get started if you are looking for random tips. And the last one is exceluniversity.com. Excel University offers Excel training to help people do more in less time. It offers fully fledged courses designed for people with different skill levels, professions, and purposes. Other than training, Excel University regularly publishes articles on its websites. These are different tips and tricks, ideas for using Excel, how-to guides, and explanation of different features. You can also find the articles written by Excel University's team. For other publications, access free resources and register for its webinar on the website. Microsoft Excel is such a sophisticated yet useful software that it's nearly impossible to learn it completely. But by learning one thing at a time, you can develop your Excel skills and better at it. These websites and blogs make it easier for everyone to learn the tips and tricks of Excel. However, if you like to learn it properly, you do better to enroll in an online course and learn it in a structured way rather than random tips. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more this contents. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hit the subscribe button, and goodbye.